Hey you guys, what is up? What's going on? Hopefully you're having a beautiful day. It is Wednesday, April 27th, and the date is important because I am on my way to go see my surgeon again. If you guys don't know or you haven't been following my journey, I got a tummy tuck with lipo of the flanks on October 18th, 2021. So it's been a little over 6 months since I've had my surgery. However, in the initial surgery, we did not do all of the things that I wanted to get done because of the probability of necrosis happening to my incision line because my tummy tuck was so extensive. So next Monday, which is May 2nd, I will be going in to finish up what I started with the lipo. So I am getting lipo to my upper abdomen, my hips, and all of my back. So actually not, I don't think it's all of my back. I think it's just like my back under my bra line down to my waist. So I'm excited about that. What time is it right now? It's 1:16 and I am currently at the gas station getting gas because I have like a 30-minute drive to my doctor's appointment. I really want to eat before I go, but I don't think I have time. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I guess we're not starting a journey, but just revisiting a journey and picking up where we left off. I do apologize for the lack of updates that I've given you guys on the whole tummy tuck situation, but that is because it really wasn't anything to update because I am not 100% happy with the results because the rest of me is not finished. So we're gonna pick up where we left off essentially and then go from there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to this doctor's appointment and see what she has to say. It is some hours later. I ended up going to my son's track meet tonight. I didn't know they was having a track meet tonight until he texted and told me on the schedule. This track meet was supposed to be on Friday, but they got another one on Friday. So anyway, I did not have time to do this little clip or whatever recap from my day when I got home because I was rushing. So anywho, the doctor's appointment or my pre-op appointment. So she took some pictures. We never took my pictures of my after for my tummy tuck because I told her like, nah, so I don't think this is a good representation of your work since I have some other areas. So today we took pictures of my back, we took pictures of the side, and we took, pictures of my stomach, the pre-op pictures, so we can have something to compare it to, some weeks down the road or months down the road when I heal. So anywho, we talked about the surgery, and I think I had said it before. I'm going to get lipo to my upper abdomen. I'm going to get it to my lower back, so everything below my bra line. And she's going to do a little bit more lipo on my love handles. I really don't have love handles, but to my flanks. And she's going to do some lipo to like a little smidge bit of my hips at the top just to curve me out some more. So that went great. I absolutely love my doctor. She said the surgery is going to take about 1 hour and 45 minutes because they have to do my back first, then redress me or whatever they said, flip me, and then do my front. So that's all going to happen on Monday. She did give me 2 prescriptions. She gave me a prescription for some Percocet and a prescription for antibiotic. I know I have Percocets left over from the tummy tuck because I literally only took them for 3 days. And I think I took like maybe 6 pills, and she gave me a prescription for 30. So I'm going to find that. And she said that I probably won't even need it. So I'm also going to make sure I have my extra strength Tylenol on deck because I'd rather take these Tylenol than the Percocets because I just don't like hallucinating. I do not. It's not for me. It's not my thing. I don't know how other people find recreational drug use something that they like doing, because me personally, I don't like to be in a state of like I'm not in my right mind. That's why I really don't drink. So anywho, that's that. So let me show you guys. I think you guys got a glimpse of my body from the clips before, but let me show you guys what I'm actually speaking of, because a lot of people are like, oh, you don't need anything else, you don't need anything else. Do I need anything else? No. No one needs cosmetic surgery or elective surgery. That's why they call it elective, but it's something that I want, and it's something I'm doing for me. And if you don't like it, you can click off the video, because unfortunately, if you leave negative comments, I will delete your comment and block you. But I'm pretty sure all the people that are here, no one's going to leave a negative comment or anything like that. So anywho, this is what, okay, well, I got my pants unbuckled because I was eating the salad. But anyway, this is what basically I look like in clothing. And don't get me wrong, I love my tummy tuck results. It's just that the stuff that I initially wanted done in conjunction with my tummy tuck my doctor couldn't do all at once, and she had told me after 6 months, you know, we can, you know, reevaluate, reassess, and go from there. So I'm going to show you guys basically what I look like. So this is, can I put this under? Okay, I put it under my brother. So this is, let me do this. Let me do this, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm doing this vlog style because I cannot be bothered with perfection today, so that you're going to get what you get. So this is my belly. So as you can tell, like, can you tell I'm on my tippy toes? Down here is flat, but it's like a, maybe if I turn towards the light, there we go. Down here is flat, but up here is like a little bulge right here. And she's just gonna take some fat from right here. And then as you can see, like already, I've talked about this in the past in other videos, this fat section right here. Like if you look at my back, can y'all see that? These little fat rows right here, I don't like them. I want them to go away. So she's going to take care of that as well. And then she's also going to curve out, I really can't, she's just gonna, let me see, I don't know if you can tell, but my incision on this side especially looks like it's dented in a little bit, and that is because I still have a little bit of stuff right here. Now this doesn't really bother me, but you know, since we're gonna be on the operating table, it's like, why not, right? We're gonna be there, so why not? So I'm getting that done. So that's it for that. That's what I'm looking like. And as far as my scar, we did discuss my scar because I'm not too much of a fan of my scar. However, it is lightening up. It is getting lighter. I already knew I don't scar well. Like I just don't. I don't scar well. So my scar is actually looking better than what I thought it was gonna look because I don't scar well. And I did mention to her, I don't like the fact that it is dark. It's not because she did anything wrong. It's thin, but it's dark just because of the way I scar. In some areas of my incision line, it's flatter than others. So she told me to get some Scar Guard. I think that's what it's called, which I did not get today. So I'm gonna get tomorrow some Scar Guard. And she said, keep using the cocoa butter and massaging it to keep, you know, to make it flat. Because it is getting flatter. It's just not, to me, getting lighter in areas that I wanted to get lighter in. And those areas that I'm talking about, let me lower this camera again. Y'all, this is the ghetto. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But anyway, the areas that bother me the most are right here because she cut me with the curvature of my body, and I just want this to fade. So right here, as you can tell, it's kind of, you know, it's very noticeable, but I could easily hide it under my underwear and under my swimsuits like that. I just can't wear anything that's super low cut, which honestly, thank God for me. I'm not a fan of super low cut jeans and stuff like that. Even though they're trying to bring them back in style, I'm like, God, no, I don't want to see nobody's crack. And then the same with over here. Over here is where my incision came open right here. I did a whole video on that. Like my incision came open over here. So over here is still kind of like a hotmess.com, but it is flat. I'm just hoping that I can get some of the discoloration to go away. So yeah, that is basically it for that. The surgery is scheduled for this Monday. So, well, next Monday. So it's scheduled, I'll be there in 5 days. She did tell me that I will be in a garment. Let me show you guys. So this is the garment that she gave me for my first surgery. And I hate it because in order for it to fit correctly on me, it fits really good in the belly area. Like it does what it's supposed to do as far as compressing. However, since my thighs and my butt are ridiculously large, thanks to genetics, this part, the underwear part, it gives me an extreme wedgie and it's uncomfortable. So this is what she'll have me in and put me in immediately after surgery. And I'm not gonna like life for the first 3 days. And then after the first 3 days, or until I become extremely uncomfortable, I will probably switch out to this one when I get home. I got this one from Macy's, and this is by Leo Missa, I think that's how you pronounce it. I got this from Macy's, and this is the one I actually wore for majority of the time when I had my tummy tuck because it compresses really good. It doesn't tear into my thighs, and it has enough room for my rump because it's like rump cutouts, like booty cheek cutouts back here. So I'll probably be wearing this one. She did tell me I will probably have to compress for about a month, which is perfect for me because that leads right up into June before all of my big trips come up. So yeah, I have this one, and then I also have this one by Assets from Target. This one is a like high compression. I really like it too because it gives you space for your booty cheeks to breathe. So yeah, those are probably the garments that you will see me in, and like I will be doing, of course, like videos and everything like that on my liposuction experience and everything like that to keep you guys posted. So I think that is it for right now. I really don't have anything else to talk about in regards to this tummy tuck update slash liposuction journey or whatever. She did tell me that I should be completely fine. Matter of fact, I have a event, the Queen City Derby event next Saturday on the 8th. My surgery's on the 2nd, and she said I'll be completely fine to shoot that. I'll be able to be up and walking around because my holes, so the incisions. So the incisions, let me show you where they're going to be at. So I have a tummy tuck scar right here. Can y'all see that? This is a tummy tuck scar. Well, it's not a tummy tuck scar, it's a lipo. This is where she went in for lipo before to do my flanks and stuff. So I have this one. So she said she's just going to go in through here again to do my upper abdomen and get to my sides. And then she's going to put 2 incisions like right up under like my bra area, like right here. She's gonna put 2 incisions right there to get down on my back, and then the other 2 incisions that she's gonna do, I'm gonna show you where she said she's gonna put them. She's going to put 1 incision directly through where I already have my tummy tuck incision scar at. And then she's going to put the other one over here where I have my scar on this side. So I'm only getting 2 new like puncture holes or scars, and that'll be up under my bra strap. So that'll be good. I'm excited about that. So it's going to be like 5 places of insertion for the tummy tuck. I will be put to sleep because I know that's a big question people ask. I will be put to sleep. I am going to a surgery center. I know some people get their liposuction done while they're woke. I, for one, am glad that I'm not getting it while I'm woke because I would just completely freak out. So yeah, so that's it. I will see you guys on Monday on surgery day. I promise I would do a better job at documenting this than I did for the tummy tuck thing, because I just know how to work this camera better, and like with the lighting, and I know I'm supposed to do it, I got the ND filters on us. So I promise I would do a better job at documenting on surgery day about how I'm feeling and stuff like that. So I'm about to go finish eating my salad. I'm gonna close out this video because it's already long enough. I know you guys are tired of hearing me jabber, and I will see you guys in the next video probably, which will be surgery day or a vlog that I need to edit and get put up. So yeah, y'all know how it is. Y'all get what y'all get. Y'all be happy. So I'll see you guys in a little bit, and wish me well in the comment section on my liposuction journey.